I promised to let's bake, so we're gonna bake some biscotti today. Right, Rin?
Okay.
Oh, come on, you gotta talk to him.
I don't want to talk.
Alright, I got all my ingredients over here. Really, this is all you need besides the butter. Got 2 cups flour going into a bowl, followed by 2/3 cup of sugar.
Coffee pot.
Coffee pot. And 2 teaspoons of regular baking powder. Alright, now we gotta stir.
Oh, I thought we could go with the other ingredients.
Well, first we gotta stir these all up. I would put an apron on, but I don't have any pretty ones.
I'll buy you a frilly one.
Pretty apron for Oki. Yeah. Stir it up. Alright. Now we need 4 tablespoons of butter. Not like Pauline. No, no.
Not 4 sticks.
Yeah, that's 4 sticks of butter. How would she say it?
5 stacks of butter.
No, no, no. You're forgetting the y'all. It's 4 sticks of butter, y'all.
Injected directly into our bloodstream.
I do that accent a little too much.